Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts, grill masters, and fire pit aficionados out there. We're diving into the world of firewood with Old Potter's kiln-dried firewood. Stick around because you're about to discover why this is the best firewood available. Now, let's start with the basics. This is the Old Potter's kiln-dried firewood, and it's making waves in the outdoor cooking and fire pit community. It comes in a beautifully packaged box, and inside, you'll find pure cooking gold. What sets this firewood apart? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, it's kiln-dried. That means it's super dry and ready to burn. No more struggling with wet or unseasoned wood. The size is perfect, 8 inches in length and 2 to 3 inches thick.
Ideal for grilling, smoking, and fire pits.
It lights up easily and burns hot, giving you that delicious smoky flavor. You have choices. Old Potter's offers 3 mouth-watering flavors: oak, cherry, and hickory. Each one has a unique taste and aroma, so you can tailor your cooking experience. Safety and quality are paramount.
Old Potter's kiln-dried firewood is USDA certified, ensuring it meets the highest standards.
It's eco-friendly, producing less smoke and ash compared to traditional firewood. Plus, it's fantastic for your barbecue, a natural charcoal source. Now, let's put this firewood to the test.
We've got some meat ready to be grilled, and we're using the Old Potter's oak wood.
Watch how it enhances the flavor and infuses that perfect smokiness into our food. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a cozy campfire, or simply enjoying a night under the stars, Old Potter's kiln-dried firewood will make your event memorable. There you have it, folks. Old Potter's kiln-dried firewood, the best firewood for grilling, smoking, and fire pits. With its kiln-dried perfection, flavor choices, and top-notch quality, it's a game-changer for your outdoor cooking adventures. So, if you're ready to elevate your grilling and outdoor experience, click the link in the description below to get your hands on Old Potter's kiln-dried firewood. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.
And stay tuned for more amazing product reviews here on Product Critique.
Until next time, happy grilling!